How can I install Internet Explorer 7 on Windows 7? Possible duplicate. How do you install MZ7 in Windows 7? I need to install Internet Explorer 7 on my Windows 7 machine. How can this be done?
You can't install Internet Explorer 7, but you can run it inside Internet Explorer 8, as the rendering engine is bundled, by doing the following. Note, this method also works in E9. Open E8. Open and GT Tools and GT Developer Tools. Switch browser mode to E7 and document mode to E7. Alternatively, you can download an installer for every Internet Explorer version from this URL.
You can't install it natively since Internet Explorer 8 is already part of Windows 7. But you can use the virtual PC image supplied by Microsoft for that purpose. Another option would be to install Internet Explorer 7 within the virtual XP mode, provided you have at least Windows 7 Professional.
While you can't install EA7 on a Windows 7 machine, there's a program called iTester which provides historical versions of the Trident rendering engine, the core of Internet Explorer. EA7 is included as one of those historical versions, so you'll be able to evaluate how a site renders, without needing to actually run EA7 itself.
To add to Chris Charabarov's answer, there's also something called multiplies, which accomplishes the same.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.